Are you a coffee lover looking to recreate that perfect cafe-style cappuccino right in the comfort of your own kitchen? Look no further. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring a creamy and delicious cappuccino every time. To start your cappuccino journey, let's gather the essentials. Freshly brewed espresso or a strong coffee, full cream milk for the richest froth, sugar or sweetener for those who like a touch of sweetness, a coffee mug, a tool for frothing milk, whether a milk frother, French press, or whisk. A tip to remember, full cream milk results in richer, creamier foam. First things first, brewing a strong shot of espresso. If you don't own an espresso machine, no worries. You can substitute with alternatives like a mocha pot, French press, or simply brew a small amount of very strong coffee. Next, heat up your milk. The sweet spot is about 65 degrees Celsius or 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot, but not boiling. Once heated, froth the milk until you achieve a silken, airy consistency. Utilize a milk frother, a French press, or a whisk if you prefer a hands-on approach. The key is to aim for smooth foam, not bubbly. With your espresso brewed and milk frothed, it's time to assemble your cappuccino. Pour your espresso into the coffee mug first, then carefully add the steamed milk while holding back the foam with a spoon. Finally, spoon the foam on top, ensuring the ideal ratio of 1/3 espresso, 1/3 steamed milk, and 1/3 foam. For that extra touch, sprinkle cocoa powder or cinnamon over your masterpiece to give it a coffee shop flair. With that, your homemade cappuccino is complete and ready to savor. Sip and enjoy this creamy, warm delight. Now that you've mastered the art of homemade cappuccinos, don't forget to share your experience, like, and subscribe for more simple yet delicious recipes. Let me know how your cappuccino turned out in the comments, and we'll see you in the next brewing adventure.